All right, Eric Barrett here with ReLISTO. Today I'm at 3120 Delaware here in Stockton. We're about to come up to unit number 6. It's a 2-bedroom. I just want to share with you the parking situation, which is right across the fence. So you come over here and you can enter your brand new unit. This is, when I say brand new, I'm saying that it's just been fully renovated. So everything is new inside. You will be the first tenant that lives in this renovated apartment. So again, nice white plank vinyl flooring, double pane windows. We may see some construction material as we go through because literally the workers just left. As you can see right here, there's still paint and such, but look at the big closet. Isn't that huge? The heater's behind that. And then you have this nice open concept kitchen, stainless appliances, garbage disposal, and microwave. And again, lots of cabinet space. Those are soft close, and again, more double pane windows. And here you have a little private balcony. And this one's, all brand new fencing and the little yards, the 10 yards. So super nice. You can have a little bit of dirt right there, so you can have a little garden if you so desire. Fans throughout, which is very nice as well. Okay, let's go upstairs. So this, again, you have a really big space here. Let's see what's upstairs. Nice plush, brand new carpeting. Yes. All right, going into the bathroom here. I should mention there's a bathroom downstairs. I'll make sure to share that with you. Again, all brand new tub, backsplash. Again, vinyl, white plank vinyl, luxury flooring. Bedroom number 1 with closet. And turning around, we have a great place to put all your linens. And here we have bedroom number 2. This would be the primary bedroom. Again, wood no treatments are included. And this one has a nice big closet. So you can see lots of closet space here. And this one goes back. Whoa, there he goes. All right, so which is really nice. So again, brand new apartment, newly renovated, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath. Let me show you that bathroom I missed right here. So if you have guests, this is super convenient, or your family's down here. This is everything you need to do your thing and get back to watching TV or playing a game or just engaging, eating, or whatever have you. So anyway, if you're interested in this property, this is a collaboration between Redwood Property Management and ReLISTO. We look forward to having you in the unit, touring it, or better yet, being our next tenant. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.